Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Lutron continues to expand its lineup of first-rate smart home gear. And if you're looking to get started, the company's Caseta wireless smart lighting kit will be 20% off through December 4th at many retailers, including Amazon, Best Buy, Lowe's, and Home Depot. The Caseta system is simple to install, and from our experience, the reliability sets it apart. And there are two new smart switches as well, the Diva Smart Dimmer and the Claro Smart Switch. Global communications and event strategist Melissa Andresco says they're all about choice.
So the Claro Smart Switch gives you the ability to match the style of the new Diva Smart Dimmer, but just in a switch format.
The Diva, by the way, has been America's top-selling dimmer, and now it can be smart. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.